up, everybody? Welcome back. Today we're playing this like toilet flush game.
You know the name? Put in the comments.
We don't know the name.
Kind of lost the box.
Yeah. So basically, you just spin this thing over here. There's like numbers on it: 1, 3, 2, and that's the amount of times you gotta flush the toilet. And eventually, the water will squirt at you. But I guess I'll go first. You get 3 lives, and
Yeah, whoever loses.
3 or 5 lives. What do you want to do? 3.
We'll do 3.
All right. We could do 2 of the rounds if we want to. All right, ready? 2.
You got a 2. You gotta put your face like right there.
Oh,
You didn't get it.
2.
2. Let's go.
1.
This is kind of like he got it.
I got squirted.
Yeah,
All right, I got 2 lives.
It's kind of like pie face, just a different concept. If you know what pie face is. Ooh, let's go. That's just good.
1.
So we got a 3. Whoa!
Damn.
Dude, 3's the worst, obviously. 1, let's go. It's too easy.
All right, I'm gonna get hit right here.
My luck's actually the same. You got a 3, of course he's gonna get hit. He's gonna lose it all.
I've got 1 life left.
How? How are you that bad? Alright. Yo, DJ. Oh, I got a 3. I got a 3.
See, now I have like a really bad chance, or like really good chance of getting hit. Which I got a 3. I lost the first round. All right, so
sucks.
I guess Brayden won the first round. All right, on the second round. This time you have to spin twice in a row.
Nah, bro.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
But if you land on 3, it just doesn't count. So
Yeah. If you get a 3, you only have to spin once, so 3's kind of...
oh, I got 2.
Ah!
Oh, Brayden lost 1. All right, see, it's like really hard.
Ah!
1.
It's definitely... Okay, just
Alright.
spin again.
3 also counts as 1. 2.
No, if you get 3 on the second one, it still counts as 3.
Nah.
Yeah! It's only if you get 3 on the first one.
Fine.
2. Give me 1, give me 1, give me 1. Yes.
Ah, Brayden's got 1 life left.
Yo, wet over here. Damn it! It's okay if I lose, actually.
1.
Oh my god. Come on, get a 3, get a 3, get a 3. Yes! No!
Oh!
Okay, I lost. I can't possibly.
I mean, if you get 2 1s. Oh, 2.
Ooh.
Oh, if you get a 1,
I have a chance to not. I got a 3. I got a 3.
hit. Oh!
Last one.
All right, so if let's do 5 rounds, all right? So we're both it's 1-1 in the series. On to the third round. 1.
Is there a punishment if we lose?
Yeah.
Spin again.
Hot sauce.
What?
Oh, I got 2 1s.
Did we talk about this before, bro?
Hot sauce if you lose.
I actually love hot sauce.
I hate hot sauce.
Punishment for him.
1.
That's a 1. That's a 1.
How? Oh, Brayden's got 2 lives left.
Oh my god.
3. That's only 1 spin.
Damn it.
Wait, does that count for both rounds? Or?
Yeah, you still have to do 3, but it counts for both rounds. You don't have to spin again.
Oh,
Give me 3.
3s are like really.
Ooh.
Oh,
Give me 1. Give me 1. Give me 1.
3. That's a 3.
That's a 3.
That's it for you. Brayden's got 1 life left in the third round. 2.
It's a 2. Spin again.
Oh my gosh, keep forgetting.
3.
2.
2. Well,
That's it.
I lost.
Unless you get a 3. Oh
God.
Oh,
Oh, give me 1. Give me 1. Give me 1. Give me 1.
that's a 1.
That's a 1. Let's go.
Oh,
Woo.
2.
Let's go. Okay, so
All right,
what's
so
that?
you got 1 life left. I got 2 life left.
The second
Where's-
one first. Oh,
3. You only
dang
get. That's it though.
I was trying to get a high number so that you would go next and automatically get it.
3.
No! Yes! Let's go!
We both got 1 life left in the 3rd round. This is getting close.
Let's go! I
we
got
got 3. I think it's like 6. If like the 6-1, it squirts you.
Yes! Yes! Because
No!
the comeback! Let's come.
Alright, well, it's 2-1 in the series. On to the 4th round. Alright.
Go!
This is actually really fun. Like, that's a
Oh,
1.
dang it.
That's a 1.
I guess that's kind of good.
You have to spin it.
Okay, it's basically a 3.
Ooh! It's like on the first one, it feels like it's gonna go because it's like hard. 3.
Ah.
Oh, you got
CJ's luck is so bad.
Alright, so I got 2 lives left.
Oh, that's a fast one. Come on.
2.
Ah.
Ooh, my hair is actually really wet.
I know, it's actually surprising.
I know, it's a lot that comes out of like the little hole. What'd you get?
I got 2 2s.
Oh, now I'm gonna get it.
He's done. Unless he gets 2 1s. Oh, that's lucky. Come on, get a 3. Another 1!
That's a 1.
No!
That's it. That's it for
Brayden. Give me a 1.
2.
2, I'm done it. Oh my god.
You gotta go again.
I need a 1.
This round is long.
No way.
Oh, alright. We both got 2 lives left.
Can't even see the water.
I know.
It's pretty bad.
3.
Ooh.
Oh!
Dude, you got it in the first one. You
Alright,
have 1
I
life,
got
I have
1
2
life.
life. Wait. If you lose this, do I win?
Yeah. I got 1 life left and you got 2.
Oh my
I
god.
really got 1 in fun.
Wait, I didn't even spin. I just did a free one. 3!
So that just counts towards 1. I'm gonna lose this right here. 3. I lost.
Hold up.
I gotta drink the hot sauce.
I think I won.
Damn.
I think I might have just won.
Alright, it was hot sauce time. I really don't like hot sauce. I hate hot sauce. Red hot right there. No, regular hot sauce. The regular hot sauce, regular hot sauce.
It's not hot sauce.
That's red hot.
No, it's not hot sauce.
Yeah, it is. See?
Where's my rocket sauce?
Nope.
No, I'm getting rocket sauce. I won. I get to pick the hot sauce.
Oh, God. Right here.
Not at Frank's. Nobody likes Frank's.
I've never had hot sauce, actually. I've had it once and it sucks.
Weird.
No. I hate hot sauce. My hair's surprisingly wet.
Dude, where? No.
Does anyone want to say hi to Brayden's tortoise? He's sleeping, but I might have locked out, boys. And girls. Right there, Frank's hot sauce.
Skull.
No, thank you.
This one isn't even hot. Alright, stupid Frank's. Give me it.
Frank's. All right.
Give me it. Show my fridge. Dude, Frank's tastes terrible. I was trying to help you. In my opinion. Tastes like garbage.
All right. You gotta have a whole spoonful.
Stuff tastes disgusting.
I've
I'm
never
not trying to be mean to Frank's. I feel like anybody's gonna watch this. Give me the camera.
I hate hot sauce so bad. All right, so you have to swallow it, and then you can get as much water as you want. But
It's not even spicy. Doesn't it taste terrible? It's not even spicy.
I don't like hot sauce.
Oh my god.
That tastes so bad.
Dude, that's not even close to the hottest hot sauce. Oh, I should have brought my grenade hot sauce. This dude is such a baby.
No, it just tastes so bad. Like honestly, it tastes so bad.
Well, that's probably it for the video.
Oh yeah. I'm gonna drink this water. I'm just kidding.
That's disgusting.
Well, make sure you like and subscribe. See you in the next one. Peace
Peace out.
Woo!